this is a really crucial time. Our timelines here in 2021 have completely changed. Everything you think, everything you feel, everything you believe, you are manifesting. So it's so important to get clean with your thoughts, because there's no point you manifesting what your biggest fears are. And remember, fear is the opposite of who you intrinsically are. You are a being of love and light. That's what you are. So when you're in a state of fear or lack, then you're out of alignment. And if you're out of alignment, you won't be receiving baby. And the thing is, you're a conscious mum, okay? You have a high vibration, a high resonance. You have a covenant with your child and your children. And you said, yeah, not a problem. I'm going to transmute all the crap that came from the lineage, the last 4 generations, the physical, mental, emotional stuff, so you don't have to deal with it. You're going to come on through, and I'm going to support you. And I'm going to hold this new level of consciousness for humanity as I help to seed humanity with this next generation of children. And this is why I'm helping you to achieve your dreams and desires. And it's done through you being a conscious manifester. We're always manifesting. But if you're unconscious and you're unaware of your intrinsic beliefs and you've got self-worth issues going on, you will easily fall back into victim mode and you'll create your fears. And it's not the time to do that. It's time to step into your power and manifest what you desire. And that's the same all through your pregnancy. I know I've had clients in the past that get so worried, especially for their first pregnancy, and they scan and they scan and they scan so regularly because they just want to make sure, because they can't always feel that baby's there or growing, and they're constantly wanting the reassurance and the signs. But the scans are really loud and uncomfortable for the baby. And that's why they often have their hands up toward their ears, because they're like, what is this horrible sound? It's not natural. Trust. Now is the time to trust. Trust during your pregnancy. Trust to get pregnant and hold the pregnancy. Trust that you are able to be a mum and have these children. Trust in your body. Trust that the universe is working with you and for you. It's never, ever working against you. Nothing is judging you. Only you judge you. Universe doesn't. You never have to do a bargain with the universe. It just simply responds. It's all energy. We are energy. Your emotions fuel your thoughts. Doesn't matter if they're positive or negative. Your emotions are going to fuel them, and whatever you believe, you receive. So with that recipe in place, you are a conscious manifester. And you can honestly have whatever you desire. You can have as many children as you desire. And you might think, I don't really have any children, into my 60s. If that's what you desire, you can do it. Women in the Amazon are still having children in their 80s. It all depends on what you believe. And this is the thing. It's about reclaiming your power, reclaiming your thoughts, because you are more than your thoughts. You are more than your feelings. You are the master of your thoughts, you're master of your feelings. You are the master of your body and the master of your life. So you can have more happiness. You can feel more complete. This is what's really important.